My name is Brad, and today I'll be showing you how Dynamics 365 Customer Service allows companies to manage questions and requests, route cases automatically, and use knowledge base effectively. I'm going to play the role of a service manager. As a service manager, I want to look at the performance of my teams. In the dashboard section, I can access the multiple dashboards available out of the box. Having those dashboards pre-built allows my company to quickly implement customer service solution. I can also create my own dashboards which will fit my business requirements. In the dashboard section, click on the Customer Service Operations dashboard. On this dashboard, I can see the number of cases and the source of all those open cases. You can manage multiple case sources. Some cases come from the phone, some come from support email address, and some from the self-service customer portal. Cases can also come from Virtual Agent, also known as Bot, installed on your website. You can integrate your customer service with social platforms on LinkedIn and Facebook to be able to communicate with your customers wherever they are. On the dashboard, I can check the number of open cases per agent or queues, which allows me to verify the load of work. Every time a case is created, it goes through a routing rule based on subjects, products, customer, or any of the variables that I've set up. Finally, I can look at the knowledge article links used in the cases. Knowledge articles allows the agent to search for answers based on question or problem. The agent can also send the knowledge article to the customer by email. Now let's play the role of a customer service agent. As a customer agent, I need to manage my cases. I go under the section Cases and click My Active Cases. You can also see multiple views already available out of the box, so you can create your own views. From that view, I can look at my cases in a chart. It's more interesting than just looking at a list of information. For example, I can select case by region, and that will present all my cases by origin in a pie chart. Now, if I want to focus on the cases coming by email, I can select the slice that will filter automatically all the cases. All charts in the customer service are interactive, which allow users to drill down to the information. There are multiple charts available out of the box, so you can create your own charts. Let's imagine that I'm receiving a call from a customer, Joan, from Birch Company. I click on New, and Joan asks to confirm her phone number and email. That will help also to confirm her identification. Also, I can see she has another open case for Power BI report. Now, Joan explains that she would like to have another Power BI report. Dear Joan, she really loves this Power BI report. In the subject, I enter Power BI. I enter also the entitlement VIP customer support for this account. I click Save and Route. Automatically, this case is assigned to the right person or the right queue. Now in the queue, we can find a new case. As an agent, I will pick the case to let my colleagues and manager know that I'm working with the customer on her new Power BI report. Now let's manage this case as a customer service agent. First, I will click on the business process, which guides me through the case process. I will click on the first response sent to yes. This will stop the timer of the service level agreement. In the middle section, this is the timeline where I can see the main actions and activities related to that case. To create a new phone call or task, I click on the plus sign. I have completed the creation of the Power BI report and deliver it to the customer by email. I can now resolve the case. When I click on Resolve Case, I can see that the billable time is the total duration of all of my activities in the case. Also, on the entitlement, I can see that the remaining hour now has less hours. Let's take another case where the customer called and had a question. After filling out the information of the customer, I click on Knowledge Base section. This will allow me to look for knowledge articles with keywords in the title of my case. I can link my knowledge base to this case when I find the right article that will answer the customer's question or issue. Also, I can email the article to the customer. This time, I could not find a knowledge article for my issue, but I can convert my case into a knowledge article. After resolving the case, an email is sent to the customer. The customer will fill out the information, and once it has completed the survey, the results are in a dashboard to analyze. Let's go back to our knowledge base management. Like we saw earlier, the customer service agent could not find a knowledge base regarding an issue with a specific report. The agent was able to solve the problem and insert the solution in a case. By transforming a case into a knowledge base, the company is able to share that knowledge with other colleagues. In the dashboard section, we can look at the different dashboards available for managing knowledge articles. By selecting the Knowledge Manager and by selecting the Show Visual, I can look at the different articles in different stages. I see here a new article was proposed. When I open the knowledge article, I can add information like keywords, description, and rich HTML content like images and videos. Once the article is approved, It is published and available for customer service agents or on the self-service customer portal. We hope that you've enjoyed the presentation, that you are ready for a test drive. Please contact Western Computer and we will be able to set up an environment for you to try. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day.